This is the monitor stand, 3D printed in Bambu Labs PTG transparent. Get this and so many more great prints from T&A 3D Printing website linked in the description below. This stand is very nice and gives support for monitor, which is why T&A 3D Printing are an amazing company since they will allow you to design your own stuff, and this monitor and so many more products are available on their store for you to download. They also give you access to amazing support, and they are a UK-based company, and they do fast shipping, which is worldwide, with some exceptions. Ask them. Anyway, like and subscribe.